Hey guys, this is Brisk Grills at CES 2024. We're really excited to be here. It's our first time being at CES, and we're really revealing two unique technologies we believe is a world first for the industry. First, as always, Brisk has always been about leveraging AI and automation to deliver the most streamlined barbecue grilling experience for everyone, no matter what their background or skill is. And this really brings this philosophy to the next generation. So what are we showing here? So let's start with our software. This is our InnoGrill 2.0 Generative AI. It is a true generative cooking AI. The mantra behind it is ask anything, say anything, and cook anything. So let's see how does it work. So I open up my InnoGrill 2.0 virtual assistant. Anything that I can think of, it will ingest that and create a recipe on the fly. Start with our data set, also look at many other different data sets from on the internet to create the perfect recipe. So let's start. So let's say that I want to cook some beef short ribs. That's my favorite. So I've just told the AI that I want to cook some beef short ribs. So Wi-Fi is a little bit slow here, so it will take some time for it to create the recipe. But just like any other generative AI, if I'm not satisfied with this recipe, I can iterate on it as many times as I want. So maybe it's too spicy, or maybe it's too large. So as you can see here, this recipe was created just a few moments ago. It's done all the preparation, making sure I have all the right ingredients, and it's telling me exactly how to smoke it, with the wrap, the temperature and the time that it needs, the internal temperatures, as well as the resting period too. But I did notice that it said to use my rub of choice, and I want to use a Cajun rub actually. So let's modify this. Let's use a Cajun rub. So really when it comes down to InnoGrill 2.0, the imagination truly is a limitation. Okay, so as you can see, we've received a new version of this beef short rib, and we can see now we have a Cajun dry rub incorporated into it. So like I mentioned, when it comes to this iteration, there really is no limit to it. So you can modify the sauce, the portion size, even the cooking methods. If I see one of my favorite celebrity chefs do a certain method, I can ask the InnoGrill to incorporate that method into the recipe and it will do so. But let's say that this recipe is perfect as is. So at this point, we go into the next step where I want to then have this grill here cook this recipe all by itself. So I can send to grill. And you can see here that Cajun style smoked barbecue ribs has been loaded onto this recipe, and you can see the temperature has been set to the first step temperature of 250 degrees, and now it's climbing to reach that temperature. And you can see I can open up and you can see that these steps are all incorporated, and you can see here it's also synchronized as well. And just like InnoGrill 1.0, anything that occurs to it will react to it, make sure that this, no matter what happens, beef rib will come out tasting great, delicious, and juicy. Doesn't matter what I do, I can go to the golf course all day long, and it'll make sure that it's being taken care of. So that's just what we're revealing on the AI side here at CES 2024. We can't wait to reveal more information and show you more about this. Please stay tuned. We don't have a formal release date announced for this feature just yet, but it'll be coming sooner than you think. Thank you.